our channel. So if you guys watched my previous video, then you know that I'm going to be doing a grocery haul. I just cleaned out the refrigerator, cleaned everything out. Make sure you go watch that video, see how I cleaned everything, threw away things that didn't need to be in the refrigerator anymore, old stuff that expired, all that. So if you're interested in things like that, then go ahead and watch that video. But today we're going to be showing you guys, my mom just went grocery shopping and she bought a lot of things. So we're going to show you what she bought and then we're going to put them away in our new clean refrigerator, okay? Okay, so as you guys can see, these are the groceries over here and then here's some over here. So we're gonna go through them and show you guys what she bought and what we typically like. We are a household of 5. So we really gotta stock up when we go grocery shopping because we have a lot of people. And this one, she wants to help too. Okay, so let's start with, we love the drinks, right? We love the flavored waters. So we have the lemonade, brisk lemonade. I personally like the raspberry kind. But then we have the pineapple coconut, that is really, really good. We have white grape. We got strawberry over here. Here's a fruit punch brisk, black cherry, and I think another white grape. And then we have, I don't know whose these are, but this is the iced sparkling caffeine water. I don't know, I've never seen that before. And then this one is a, I don't know what flavor this one is. Oh, watermelon lemonade. It kind of looks good. I don't know who that is for. My mom, I don't know what she bought that for, but anyway. My mom, she likes these strawberry cottage cheese. I don't know if this is like yogurt or something. Well, no, it's cottage cheese. Does Simone. But my mom likes those, so she bought about 4 of those for herself. Then we have some milk over here. We have some juicy juice for Amara. We have the good old, Anyway, so we have the good old Chick-fil-A sauce. Listen, when I found out that that they have Chick-fil-A sauce in stores, we've been buying it for a long time now, but I was like, what? Y'all really started something when you start selling these to the public, okay? Then we have the mixed fruit, no sugar gel mixed fruit for Amara. We have the baked kettle chips, barbecue flavor. Those are actually really good. My son loves these Grooves cheeses, so we bought that for him. And then there's some Cheerios for Amara. I think the honey roasted cereal is for my mom, I believe. I love the Honey Smacks. If you guys see my other video, you guys know that I love Honey Smacks. And then we have the Cinnamon Crunch. Josiah loves those. That's for him. Frozen foods. Here we have the hot dogs. We have more. Oh, this is yogurt. Greek yogurt is so nasty to me. I tried it one time and I couldn't even finish the 1 spoonful that I had. But that's for my mom. And then we have some tomato. Oh, sun-dried tomato wraps. My son, or my mom, I'm sorry, my brother, my child, my daughter, I couldn't even say it. She loves the sweet potato tots, and they're actually really, really good. And they also have sweet potato fries as well. And then we got some bacon here. Love, love, love bacon is the best. Then we have some sausage and more sausage. Then we also have the pizzas here, different kind of pizzas. We got hot dog buns, we got bread over here. Then we have, ooh, these things are so good. These are the honey breast tender chicken things. They're so good by Tyson. Those are good for my daughter. And then we have the regular barbecue chicken strips. So good. The ice cream, listen, my nieces came over. It was like maybe a couple months ago, and my brother-in-law bought them some ice cream, and I had some, and it was this ice cream I loved when I first had it, and so ever since I've just been hooked on it. It is very, very sweet and sugary, just like I like it. So yeah, that's one of my fave ice cream. I love it. And then here is the red, white, and blue sorbet for my son. He loves that kind of flavored ice cream. Then over here we got some eggs, and I think this is wine. I'm sure it's wine. yeah, it's wine. Then we got our fruits over here. We got some strawberries. My daughter loves fruit, and I'm so glad because she'll eat some fruit, okay? So we got strawberries, we got blueberries, we got some more drinks, some sugar, 0 sugar. You know, this is good. So I usually drink what is it? Wine. What is Stella Rose, right? The original Stella Rose, right? I love that wine. It's sweet, it's perfect. Like any kind of wine that is sweet, I love, right? And so me and my mom drink that a lot. And we also mix, I drink the Stella Rose with strawberry lemonade, but my mom, we also buy the strawberry margarita. And then I put in the strawberry lemonade as well. So it is so good. But recently I had some of the Stella Rose, and I put some of this in it, and it was really good. So you should try that. Then we have some peanut butter here and some more jelly. We have the strawberry Pop-Tarts. Good job, Mama. We got some Cheeto Puffs for the little one, and then we also have some frozen cinnamon sticks, breakfast cinnamon sticks, more oatmeal, more club crackers, multi-grain club crackers here. And then we have, I love the good old style chicken pot pie. Then we got some frozen vegetables. It's cauliflower, roasted onion, and garlic. That sounds good. But it may taste a little different. I don't know. Okay, so here we have came to the cleaning supplies. We absolutely needed some of that. So we got some Comet here. I love this stuff. The cleanser. I can just pretty much use this to clean anything, especially the bathroom. I don't know. It just does it for me. So I've always liked this to clean my bathrooms. We have some Pine Sol, some good old hand sanitizer, some Tilex Clorox. This is really good for your bathroom as well, especially the shower. The showers, you know, the walls or whatever. Really good for that. Hold on, Mama. Then we got some good old Drano. Is that Drano? Yeah. Drano, some more Drano, and more Drano. And then some good old Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. That's really good for your toilets as well. And then some good old, I like to call it toilet air freshener or toilet perfume to keep your toilet smelling good. Some good old toothpaste. Always need to have some good toothpaste and brush your teeth. And I think this is my mom body wash soap. So there you have it. Look at all these groceries. Look at that. Now we're going to take all of these and put them in what? No, I'll make you some lunch. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put all of these groceries up and put them in the refrigerator and the freezer, and yeah.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things
So I have a little bit of a dilemma, right? So we don't have enough room for all of this stuff. And I don't understand. Who else, Mom, keeps smoked turkey necks until the next holiday? Like, we don't ever use this besides for the holiday. And it just stays in the freezer all year. And my mom like, no, I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use that. This is taking up room. I'm gonna throw this away. It has freezer burn and everything, I'm sure. But we don't have any room. So I don't know how to put this stuff in here. Look at this, jam-packed. We need to start eating this stuff. This is crazy. I have to figure this out. And we don't have a deep freezer or anything, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I gotta figure it out. I'll be back. Okay, so I figured it out. So we was able to get everything in the freezer. So I just end up taking all of the chicken out. We'll just have some chicken and some cabbage that I have left over in the refrigerator. So we took all of the chicken wings out. And then we threw away the turkey neck bone. And we're actually going to cook the pizza, if you see over there. We're going to cook the pizza for tonight. So that took away some of the freezer stuff. So I was able to fit everything in here. So we're good. So let's go down to the refrigerator and put everything away in the refrigerator. Okay, so I put all of the groceries away finally. That actually took some time. But here is the freezer. And here is the nice and cleaned out refrigerator. And on the sides here. You like it, Amara? Mm-hmm. Okay, move. No, you had one of those already. Huh? You had one of those already.
Oh, this?
Yes, put it back.
Please.
You had one already.
Where's the blueberries?
Can you get out the refrigerator? I'm gonna close you in the refrigerator. I'm gonna close you. I'm gonna close you. Come on, move. And put everything here in the pantry.
Mommy.
All of the cereals. Put away the snacks and the breads and the juices and flavor waters and regular water.
Mommy.
And then we put away all of the other snacks, the crackers and all that good stuff. I took out the box that the oatmeal came in and put it in this container because it just helps, you know, save more room with all the containers and stuff. It just helps have more room and more organized. And then that, I think, is pretty much it. Amara, I'm sure you're all in the background.
Mommy.
What?
Blackberries.
No, Mama. You just ate. You just had peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and you had Cheetos.
And my berries and strawberry.
No, Mama.
Strawberry.
No.
Please. Please.
Tell everybody bye.
No.
You being mean? That's not nice.
I'm berries. I'm berries. Give me some.
What?
Give me some.
No.
Yes.
Rude.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so I'm finally done with everything. I am super tired. Super tired. It's about, I think, like 4:30, 5 o'clock now. I've been doing stuff ever since 8 o'clock. I filmed a few videos today. Well, just one other video, which is a clean out refrigerator video, which you guys should have already seen. And then I posted 3 videos on my vlog, on my fashion channel earlier. And so I was doing computer stuff, and then, you know, I've just been on my feet for some hours now. So I am super tired. And I'm about to give my daughter a bath and try to find something to eat and hopefully relax. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more cleaning, organizing, grocery hauls, and all the good stuff, then stay tuned. Don't forget to turn on your post notification and that bell and all that other good stuff. Jax, you want to say hi? Look at Jackie. Say hi, Jackie. This is my sister's doggy. It's Jax. Hey, Jax. Hey. Hey, Jackie. Hey, Jackie. You missed this, Jackie. Say hi, Jackie. Say bye, Jackie, in the vlog. Jax, look. Say bye. No. Say bye. What is that you dropped? Jax, say bye. Jax, look. Say bye.